guys! Welcome back to Daily with Min. So, guys, this is our last day here in China. Kasi right now, after breakfast, pupunta na kami ng airport. And then, ang tawag dito, we have a day tour sa Macau. And after that, on the evening, airport na kami diretso. So, today guys, yeah, let's go back to Macau. And if I can take parang mga videos to show you how to go back from here sa China to Macau, I will. Pero if ever man na hindi, but I will just siguro sabihin ko na lang sa inyo paano yung procedure na ginawa namin. So yeah, tapos na kami mag-wrap up and we're off to the borderline.
I've got an internet crush. She's not a celebrity, but she's taken. So can't help falling in love. Can't take the hint and give up. My mama told me don't talk to people you haven't met. I guess my mama was right, but it's not 'cause everybody you meet is dangerous, but 'cause they'll break your heart. 'Cause she plays it so cool, making up her own rules, and I'm a loser for thinking I've got
Handy, my lover.
And it's shot in the dark, now it's hitting me hard. Tell me what am I supposed to do?
You drunk.
'Cause I've got an internet crush. She's not a celebrity, but she's taken. Still can't help falling in love. Can't take the hint and give up. I've got it. Internet crush.
Guys, so andito na kami ngayon sa parang bridge. Ito yung guys, yung bridge going to Macau or Hong Kong. This one is the Hong Kong Zhuhai Bridge. So, andito tayo ngayon kasi magdi-depart na tayo ng China going to Macau. And we have like 30 minutes here kung gusto daw namin kumain kasi may shopping mall dito. This one. So, kung gusto namin kumain, pwede dito. Tapos, guys, pakita ko sa inyo yung bridge na connecting to Macau, China, and Hong Kong. Ayan. So, ito yung terminal niya. Tapos, ayan yung bridge, guys. That one is going to Hong Kong. Diyan. Very nice. So, ito guys, yung kanina pala guys, it's parang Zhuhai, China to Hong Kong. Tapos, this side, sa gilid pala. This one is, ito yung papuntang Macau. This is Zhuhai, China to Macau. So, papasok na kami guys sa terminal. Going back to Macau. Our day tour. Then, balik na ulit sa Philippines. Guys, okay guys, nandito na kami sa immigration, Chinese immigration, that one after the inspector dyan or immigration officer ng China, nasa Macau ka na. So yeah, a quick update to you guys. Nandito na kami sa Chinese immigration going back to Macau.
From the artificial island, we can head to the other side of Macau, which is Taipa Island. So, speaking about the area of Macau, we have 3 territories.
Guys, we're gonna see ang mga labuhos nila dito sa Macau Mall. Sorry. Oh, ayan. Yung mga labuhos nila, 60 Macau money. Haha, nice. Labubus. Guys, yung mga malabubus. Pero ito guys talaga. Ito talaga yung somewhat gusto ko din. Pero ayan. This is so nice. Ay, baby Eiffel Tower nila guys. Dito kayo pwede mag-picture here. Ito sila. Tapos, very nice park.
That's why this time the pin I just gave you at the immigration comes very important. Don't lose it. If in case you get lost somewhere at Venetian.
Guys, so andito kami ngayon sa Venetian. So we have an hour and a half dito. And siguro sightseeing, picture taking. And then the next we have a water show na pupuntahan. Oh, may 5 guys sila dito. We have 5 guys. So, okay. Andito na kami sa assembly. Lamig. Ang ganda. There's a casino. The casino, guys, is over there. Wow! It's been so long, guys, since I have been here. This is the Venetian. Ayan. So nice. Ito na. Sige. The last time I was here, guys, I forgot kailan, anong year yun. Sobrang liit lang na clips yung nakuha ko because Starbucks. Tara. Ha? Ano, meron din coffee doon. Guys, I was saying, guys, nakapunta na ako dito. But, again, yung mga clips ko dati, parang sobrang bibilis tsaka hindi pa magaganda lang. Magaganda, I mean. So, because, hindi naman kami masyadong mag-explore sa taas. Bumaba kami dito sa Starbucks para uminom ng drinks. And wait. Let's see, guys. They have they have so many Macau. Ganda. This is my order, guys. Hindi ko na sa inyo napakita. This is hojicha. Tapos order niya ice caramel macchiato. Tapos sila yung latest na signature drink niya, then ice chocolate. Yes! Follow niyo ako, guys. Follow me on my YouTube channel.
And the bungee jumping platform is 233 meters high from the ground.
Hi guys! So, one of our itinerary is dito sa my St. Paul Ruins. So, respecting tayo, guys. And also, since it's one of our itinerary. Yan. Guys, naalala ko nung kami dito sa side dito, there's so many mga kainan tsaka pwedeng puntahan dito, guys. Diyan, maraming kainan, maraming mga shopping, ganda. bibili ako ng egg tart guys. Nakita ko. Bili tayo ng egg tart guys. Hi!
Hello. Only one?
Only one. Only one.
Hello.
Hello. Thank you.
Thank you.
Okay. So, may egg tart tayo. Naglalakad na kami guys, pabalik ng bus because apparently meron daw kaming final show na papanorin before the going to the airport.
Staring out the window, reaching for a North Star, waiting just to wake up from this nightmare where you could be right back in my arms, dancing to the limbo, stuck here in the middle. You tell me that it's simple, but I could paint 1,000 different pictures of what is wrong. But if we turn the clocks back a couple dials, we should throw them out, because time ain't ours, oh, but you fill me up, and I can feel